Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India.
Armed drones have become a game changer in modern warfare. With the ability to carry various types of munitions, including missiles and guided bombs, they offer precise and lethal firepower. This capability has revolutionized military operations, enabling targeted strikes on enemy positions, high-value targets, and even terrorists' hideouts, all without putting humans at risk. Modern precision warfare, made possible by drone technology, minimizes collateral damages and civilian casualties, making it a more acceptable form of warfare compared to traditional indiscriminate bombings. The Nagorno-Karabakh conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan, and recent Russia-Ukraine war has seen extensive use of various sizes of drones used by both sides for battlefield surveillance and precision attack. Protection of defense establishments and movable battlefield assets has been a priority against asymmetrical warfare waged by kamikaze drones. To counter the rising drone threat, various types of drone security systems are being developed. These systems can be broadly categorized into two groups: drone monitoring equipment and drone countermeasure equipment. For the first time in India, a state-of-the-art autonomous anti-drone system, powered by artificial intelligence, that can protect not just vital installations like nuclear power plants and oil rigs but a wide area encompassing even an entire city, from multiple drones of any kind. This advanced full-spectrum drone security system capability was demonstrated live on the outskirts of Hyderabad. When drone security technology is superimposed with artificial intelligence, it acts as an autonomous system with all the different types of sensors talking to each other. This exponentially increases its efficiency and efficacy. Modern drone threats like drone swarms and low RCS missiles can only be countered using autonomous drone security technology. The technologies developed by Grene Robotics comprises of multiple drone detection system as well as drone countermeasure system that include RF sensors, passive sensors, acoustic sensors and optical sensors for drone detection system and GPS spoofing system, jamming systems, net and net guns for drone counter systems. Counter-drone system has become an essential element of Indian defense planners, because hostile drone activities became routine along the Indo-Pak border for drugs and weapon smuggling. Considering the Indo-China standoff along the northern border, drone intrusions could also be a problem in the future for vital defense installations in the Himalayan frontiers. Another defense setup, Zen Technologies, works on drone detection, classification and tracking on passive surveillance, camera sensors and neutralization of the threat through jamming the drone communications. Zen Technologies' anti-drone system is a multi-layer multi-sensor architecture aimed at providing comprehensive security against drone attacks. The major difference between Zen Technologies and Grene Robotics is the hard kill systems adopted by Zen Technologies, integrating the Bofors L-70 anti-aircraft systems, which can auto-align to the target and fire bullets to destroy the Rouge drone physically. Slowly and steadily, Indian defense startups like Grene Robotics and Zen Technologies catching up with the emerging counter-drone systems to protect the vital installations and defense establishments, thus enhancing the counter-drone asymmetrical warfare systems of India. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe our channel, and write your views in the comments box.
Jai Hind.